Hi everybody, Dr. Lonna Denny, Bulletproof Babes, self-defense based on behavioral sciences. Today I want to show you the best digital scam I've ever seen. I think it's one that I would have fallen for myself, and it's one that will completely drain your bank account. So I want to show you what this looks like because it is almost impossible to detect. Okay, this is how it starts. You will get a text to your phone from your bank, supposedly. Let's say that you bank at Chase Bank, and you'll get a text that says, hey, did you make this $1,000 purchase at Target? We've all gotten those texts before. So 1 for yes, 2 for no. You hit 2 because you didn't just make that purchase. Okay, so far so good. Then shortly thereafter, you will get a call from your bank. But it's a spoofed number. It will look like it's from your bank, but it's so easy to spoof a number these days. And it'll sound something like this. Hi, this is Barbara from Chase. We see that you've just experienced a little bit of fraud on your credit card. So I'm here to help you get that card secured, and we'll get a new one mailed out to you. Does that sound good? You're gonna say yes. And then she'll say, okay, now what I need to do is I just need to verify your identity. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send a 6-digit code to your phone, and then I want you to read that code back to me. And you're thinking, so far so good, right? I mean, all I'm doing is reading back these 6 digits that she's sending me. But here's the thing. She is not sending those 6 digits. Your actual bank is sending that 6-digit code to your phone. In the background, Barbara, our scammer, is sitting at a computer, and she's entered in your email to Chase Bank's login and done forgot password. And what do? They send out a 2-factor authentication code. That's going to be that 6 digits. I mean, she may even have the last 4 of your social. That's not hard to get. That can be bought online, especially with all these data dumps lately from big corporations like Kaiser, AT&T, T-Mobile. To get the last 4 of your social is very easy. Okay, so back to this. She's trying to log into your account. Chase just sent you, the real Chase just sent you the 6 digits. She is going to enter those 6 digits into that portal because you're reading them right back to her. Okay, now she's in your account. This scammer is now in your bank account. Now, to get the money out of your bank account, what they do is they open up another bank account someplace, usually using fraudulent ID, and they're going to set up a wire between your bank account and that new bank account they just created. So it'll sound something like this, because this is going to trigger another 2-factor authentication for your bank. She'll say something like, okay, all right, I've got it. Oh, I just have to do that 2-factor authentication one more time. You're going to get one more 6-digit code, and I need you to read it back to me. So you do that. You do another 6 digits. You tell her that is for the wire, and then boom, all your money disappears from your bank account. Now, the reason this is probably the wrong word to say, but I really like this scam because it's totally based on social engineering and things that we've all experienced. We've all gotten these texts that are like, yes, did you make this purchase? No, you didn't. Rarely do you get a call from your bank, but I have actually gotten a call from my bank one time on something like this for a check. And then the 6-digit 2-factor authentication. I don't know about you, but we do that every single day. So because you're desensitized to this and you've seen all these things and you feel like you're not really giving out any of your own information, that enables the social engineering in this scam to be so successful. So what can you do? How can you stop this in its tracks? I've only really saw one way to do this, and that is when you get a call from your bank, supposedly, say, you know what, I'm going to call the number on the back of my card. And they're going to say whatever they can say to stop you from doing that, which is great. All right, right then and there it's a scam. But even if they don't try to stop you, end the conversation there. Call the number on the back of your bank card. All of them have a fraud department that's super easy to get to. And then you can ask them, was there just a fraudulent purchase on my card? Before you give out any 6-digit number, don't give out that 6-digit number, because you never know who's on the other side of that line. It looks like your bank, but it could not be your bank. And guess what? Your bank will not reimburse you if you are ripped off this way, because you have bypassed their security protocols. This just played out with Chase Bank and an elderly woman who had her whole retirement account drained. So I don't want that to be you. Don't give out that 6-digit two-factor authentication code. I hope that helps. Hey, if you like this and you want to see more of it, just like and subscribe to my station, or sign up for our digital newsletter. It comes out once a week. It's free. We respect your privacy, and you'll get a lot more content than this. I hope that helps, and I'll see you soon.